makes atonement for my sin.
Yes.
You forgive all unrighteousness, and it makes no sense to me why you died for your enemies. Now I live, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold,
So guys, this video just started to taste like
Darkness loses its hold on me. Highs and lows, Lord, you're with me either way it goes. Should I rise or should I fall?
Hey guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. Oh, so now what a way to open a vlog. My lips are numb, hence I'm holding them like this.
Turn right on Pretoria Road, M44 North.
I feel
Then turn left.
weird.
Turn
I'm not
right
gonna
on
lie.
Pretoria Road,
I
M44
feel
North.
weird.
Then turn left on Melhurst Street.
I feel weird. Yeah, but right now they wrote a prescription for me. I need to go get some meds at Clicks, and also we are going to Kauai to buy something to eat. To buy something to eat
Turn left on Melhurst Street.
before the numbness inhale, because the one thing I inhale it's chai,
Turn
so
right on
I
O'Reilly
won't
Berry
be
Street,
able to eat, so
M45.
it's wise for me to eat right now while I'm still numb. So yeah guys, yeah, let's go.
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah.
Salon olunca hemen böyle shoot. Shoot. Oh, nampak. Minangit nung bera lah pa nung frame na. Al frame mong din, kami record. Balik. Yuk. Ngapain mana? Siap.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher thing. Can't be touched by fire, dash forward to the grown things now. I'm working on these soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still play. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away now. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away now. 'Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hey guys, welcome to a brand new day. Today guys is a Thursday. Yesterday I didn't vlog for you guys at all because I was in pain. I was on painkillers throughout the whole day. My whole face was swollen, especially these parts. I'm still swollen this side. This side has subsided a bit, but this side is still swollen, but it's better than yesterday. Yesterday guys, it was something else. So I spent the whole day in bed, and then I would wake up to eat and then take painkillers and the meds that I bought from Clicks on the day. So yeah, that's what I was basically up to yesterday. So today is a Thursday. I have received a few packages yesterday. Yeah, I wanted to do a ponytail, but I couldn't because my face is swollen. I can't take content with a swollen face. I don't want to trend. I do not want to trend for bad reasons. I'm glad that I'm fine now. I'm glad that I'm good. I'm better than yesterday. I am healed and I'm able to talk properly today. And yeah, I'm gonna have a productive one today. Even though I'm going to be working at the salon today, I so badly wanted to do some content, but simply because I still have this jaw swollen, I cannot create content. I'm just gonna go work at the salon today. E1, I think it might be busy, but it's still winter, it's still cold, people don't like it. Yeah, it's not as busy as it normally is, so it's a bit quiet. So we'll see what today has for us. We'll see. I'm expecting one. There's one client that said she'll come. I'm expecting her, and then yeah, I don't know about others, but yeah, we'll see, man, guys. We'll see. So yeah, let's go to the salon. I'm not bathing today, I'm sorry. And one other thing, guys, we don't have water. It's been how many days? I think it's been 4 days now. Amanzi abuya around 12 midnight, and then around 5 a.m. bayawavala. I think they said rainwater is maintaining the pipes and everything. So yeah, we've been struggling with water in the past few days. Today I apuma, but apuma kancane.
that when you hold me and draw me closely, it's the sweetest thing. And you don't change, I don't want it my way. I just know that you are. Ooh, you're the quiet that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. 'Cause you gave yourself to me, I'll give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. You're the sunrise after a dark night. You're the one I desire. When I wake up, I'm wrapped in your love, and my heart just feels so light. Living water when I'm stuck in the desert. Nothing matters when I'm far from my shepherd. You're the compass of my life. Ooh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, Lord, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. I just know that when you hold me and draw me closely, it's the sweetest thing. And you don't change, I don't want it my way. I just know that you are. Ooh, you're the quiet that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. 'Cause you gave yourself to me, I'll give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, just feels so light. Living water when I'm stuck in the desert. Nothing matters when I'm far from my shepherd. You're the compass of my life. Ooh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, Lord, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. I just know that when you hold me and draw me closely, it's the sweetest thing. And you don't change. I don't want it my way. I just know that you are. Ooh. You're the quiet that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. 'Cause you gave yourself to me, I'll give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. You're the sunrise after a dark night. You're the one I desire. When I wake up, I'm wrapped in your love, and my heart just feels so light. Living water when I'm stuck in the desert. Nothing matters when I'm far from my shepherd. You're the compass of my life. Ooh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, Lord, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
Yo guys, I am so tired. I'm so tired. I am so hungry. I have a cell meeting to attend to, but I'm gonna do it. It's an online cell meeting, so that's where I am going right now.
But yeah, we had a productive day. Sunburn. Hello. Enjoy.
Listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen. Hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you. Keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep.
Good morning, guys. It's a new day. We do not have electricity, and I have been invited to the Shein pop-up event, which is in Mall of Africa. I am late as it is, and I'm not gonna do makeup. The plan was to do makeup. The plan was not to wear this hair. I wanted to wear straight hair, but I can't straighten my hair because there's no electricity. And yeah, the outfit also had to change because I only iron when I'm going somewhere, and I iron in the morning or before I go. So I'm lying, I need it. So when I woke up, there was no electricity. So it's whatever, but I'm going there regardless. I'm just gonna put on sunglasses, and then yeah. So let's go, guys, because I'm already late. So guys, I just got at Mall of Africa. My camera is on 0%. The battery is exhausted, so yeah, it might turn off while I'm still recording. I think I'm gonna continue recording with my phone because I was trying to charge it with the stereo here in the car. It was not charging at all. So it is what it is. But I'm not that late. The event starts at 9. It's 27 minutes past 9. So let's go, guys. Let's go. For the sake of not getting lost, I'm taking the entrance number. Entrance number 24 to make sure that I do not get lost when I come back. I ask around if I don't remember where I parked.
Alex, Abs.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy.
Guys, I love this jacket.
A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome to a very first Shein pop-up in Johannesburg, pop-up store in Johannesburg, right here in our beautiful motherland, South Africa. Siete, and I am your MC this morning. You know that girl from Yizo Yizo, and every time when I drop the name, please make some noise. That queen from Yizo Yizo. From Gazlami. From Crossing the Line, Rhythm City. Idols. For more. What's that one loud one? That loud one? That one?
Boom Shana.
Now, do you have an idea?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we all know that Shein, it is a global fashion house. It is a fashion house powerhouse. Founded in 2012, yes, they have been around for a very long time, serving customers in 150 countries, guys. Their mission, their belief, it's simple and yet very profound. Self-expression, it's very important. With your unique self, your own style, your own fashion, but they're not only giving us fashion items that are unique, they're giving us affordable fashion, right? Yes, and I think that's the part that I love, and I'm so addicted to it. Guys, Sundays are the worst. You know why? Can I plug you? Free shipping. Sundays are the worst. You know, when you're doing your buying, it's just like, you know, box, cut, you check, and then you wait for 15 minutes. You're like, do I have everything that I need? And once you have decided, like, send, ship. And then after 30 minutes, damn, I forgot the car, I forgot glasses, I forgot a bag, I forgot shoes. Then you go back and then cut, and then you park. You leave them there. It's like, I'll revisit it again. Do you guys go through the same thing?
Yeah.
And how I got introduced, I'm a mom. I have a son and he's 6 years old. But it's a big 6, guys, you know. I don't know, do we have moms in the house? Somehow we do a little, okay, maybe not. Maybe not, still. But I'm a mom. And these kids, now you buy them something, these favorite, you know, clothing items. You buy them last week, it fits. Next week, it's forgotten. The other week, it doesn't fit. They grow so fast, you know what I mean? And I had to find a place where it will be reasonable, it will be affordable being a mom and not buying clothes overnight. And even if you buy a lot, at least it's not expensive. And for me, a place to run to was Shein. I've never looked back ever since for Dagalo, because he's 6 and he looks 18 right now. Guys, Shein believes in the magic of expression, and their tagline is "Wear Your Wonderful," which is a hashtag of the day. Please, guys, we are all content creators. We love pictures, and rules of the day is misuse that phone. That's a rule of the day.
Yeah.
Have fun with that phone. So guys, take content. Please don't forget to play around with the hashtag, which is Shein Joburg Pop-Up Store. Hashtag find your fit. Hashtag wear your wonderful. Guys, we are all different. We all express ourselves differently. I love sexy dresses. Do we have sexy ladies in the house?
Yes.
I love sporty comfortable wear. Do we have sporty ladies in the house?
Yes.
Sporty clothes. We also have pajamas. We have, you know, those cargo pants, guys, with pockets.
Yeah.
Okay, I love them, and that's sporty. Every time when I buy, I need an item that says music. So we are all different, and sheets and dance, mount, ear move, you know. So I love clothes that are talking, that are moving, that says dance and music. And she gives that, you know, to all of us. Doesn't matter what size, what shape, what style, whatever style you love, you will find it there. And fashion doesn't have to be serious. fashion doesn't have to be expensive, you know. Fashion needs to be fun. It is fun. And also the good thing about Shein is we have all these houses, fashion houses, where you can pick and choose a top, shoe, accessory, bag, put them together, voila, you have your magic outfit. I think that's a fun part about it. So guys, are you excited about this pop-up store? Yeah! Excited, please make some noise. Why we have this pop-up store, guys. It's not only about the retail experience. We're going to have fun. You know how frustrated it is sometimes when you love an item but you don't feel it, you don't touch it, you don't try it on. And this pop-up store gives us an opportunity to try on our favorite items, play around with them, and just have a feel. That's the most important part of this pop-up. We are all diverse, we love different fashion, but the most important thing is that it is affordable. I think also what stands out for me more than anything is the fact that we are a community, right? We are a family. I'm looking at this dress and I was thinking, how many of us have the same dress, but it fits differently, right? It looks differently because we have different styles, but it's affordable. And this is also a platform for us to meet and greet and to plug each other, guys. You know, and I can plug you right now with my favorite stores. Yeah. Can I plug you guys? Can I plug you right now? If maybe this is your store, please make some noise because and I'm also waiting for you to plug me with your favorite stores. Do we have Maija ladies in the house? Do you have Musera? Yes. Yes, Musera. Do you have Enchant? Am I saying it correctly? Do you have Daisy? Yes. How do you say it? Enusta? I'm not sure, but we have. Do you have Pothia? Yes. We do. Do you have Moft? Yes. We have Moft. And do you have Shein Mod? Yes. Those are my favorite as well. So we all have our favorite stores. So guys, to feel, to play, and to just have a sense that if I were to buy this, how is it gonna feel on my body? The QR code is available, the barcode is available, it's really easy guys, you can just scan, voila, it's there, the price is there, the material is there, everything that you need, just scan and you have all the information available. If you're not sure what to do, the information is right there on the floor. The ladies are ready with the Shein, you know, nice sweaters. If you have any questions, you can ask those questions to any of our ladies that are, yes, there's one there at the corner. So information, it is available for all of us. Now let's get starting with the program. Guys, we have our most talented Shein designer. Please join me in welcoming Ishara Abrahams, a South African talented Shein designer. Ishara's vibrant design, inspired by Cape Town heritage, have gained international recognition. She excelled in the Shein Design Incubator Program and the Shein 100 Challenge, showcasing her unique style and talent. Let's give a warm round of applause to Ishara as she presents her stunning spring-summer collection that's displayed right here in Shein Corner Pop-Up Store. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ishara with a big Thank you so much for being here. I'm so excited to be here and I can feel all of your excitement to finally see Shein in the real world in South Africa with us for the first time. Can you believe it? We're actually here. I just want to tell you a little bit about myself, about my journey with Shein for those of you who may not know. So about 3 years ago, I was doing what I think a lot of us do very, very well, which is window shop on the Shein app. I was having a nice little scroll there and I came across a banner and it said Shein empowering creativity. So I gave it a click and inside I saw that Shein has a program, it's called Shein where Shein actually empowers designers from design to manufacturing to distribution all globally when it comes to their designs. So I thought, you know, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take and decided to enter. From my own personal background, I've been a graphic designer and illustrator professionally for the past 9 years.
which has gotten me some collabs with brands like Woolworths, Take-A-Lot. So I thought, let's try this global giant, let's see if I could actually have what it takes. And I was so grateful when they actually accepted me into the program. So far it's been 3 years and I've designed every single season. So that's how they are. Thank you. Which has been incredible with the journey. The Shein team has been so friendly and really helping me to realize my personal vision, which I believe is in my life, which is to fill the world with beautiful things. And they're completely aligned with that with me, which I'm so grateful for. And it didn't stop there. They actually invited me to participate in the Shein X 100K challenge. It was a global design competition where Khloe Kardashian, Laura Roach, Christian Siriano judged it, okay? So you can imagine I was sweating. But I entered with a collection inspired by my hometown, which is Buka. So very much about the vibrancy and the colors of Buka. And it was really great. Unfortunately, I did not win, but I did place 9th globally in voting. I think isn't bad for a woman from Buka, right? Not so bad. And then, can you believe there's even more? Last year, they actually flew me all the way to Singapore to their head offices during F1 week. Guys, okay? Before you ask, yes, I did see Lewis Hamilton on the screen. They wanted more than window shopping.
Amazing. Another big warm round of applause. Girl, you inspire us. You know, we have a lot of young women there that are looking at you and they follow Shein, and one day not only buying clothes but being a businesswoman, you know, creating and helping others to create and grow. And you are doing that. We love and appreciate you. You guess what? There is a percentage. It's 15% off. So make sure that you use that QR barcode and then you get yourself your 15% off. Another thing, a reminder guys, the hashtag of the day, please make use of those nice gadgets that you have, the phones. I'm looking at you girl, looking all fine. I hope we're in contact. Content ladies, please let me remind you, the hashtag of the day is Shein Johannesburg pop-up. Find your fit, wear your wonderful. If you haven't followed the South African Shein page, it's Shein ZA_. Are you guys, have you followed the page? So guys, the pop-up store, Shein Johannesburg pop-up store, it is official open! About anything, or you have questions, or you also want to, you know, get your caption right, you're welcome to ask questions, you're welcome to ask for a right wording if you're not sure, or if maybe you get a response or you get someone that says something that's a little bit off and you're not sure what to do, please just share with us and we'll help you in responding. Is that okay? Does it make sense? Because you know, sometimes we post and you'll have amazing comments, like 100 of them, and there will be just one that just wants your attention. You know what's the deal there? You just ignore, guys. Or if you're not sure, or you feel strongly that you have to reply and you're not sure how to respond to that message, just ask us and then we'll help you. Not what we do, we just block. We block. It's really simple. It takes 1 second and you look amazing. Please give yourselves a round of applause. You guys showed up, and then I know some of you had to be creative in coming up with sick notes, ne? Or asking your auntie and your grandpa and your mom to say, please tell them that I'm not coming, but you know you're coming to Shein. So please enjoy your shopping. It was lovely meeting you. Some of you, I know you from Instagram, TikTok, but what a great feeling to meet you live. Live, guys. Enjoy your shopping in Shein Johannesburg pop-up store. It is official open. Have a good time. Hi, Taxi Little Girl, Tim and I'm with your baby. I just told her that now we're not taking a picture of her standing because she's going to expose me. The way she's so tall and beautiful, please tell me she's a model. Oh, that's why she's here, like her things. But she's amazing, she's beautiful. I follow her on her social media, inspiring even young people, even the younger ones. Well done to you, Tabisile. Mwah. Happy Women's Month.
Guys, my mom is gonna be so happy. I took a video for her. No time to see her day. You have no idea how much my mom loves time to see her day. So when I took a video, I'm so happy for her. I'm so happy on her behalf. Hey guys, I'm back home. I just got back and obviously we got goodies. With this, it's food, guys. Food. This is what's inside. Because some of the things here, especially sweets, I don't eat, but yeah, I'm gonna nibble on some of them. And then we got this. I'm so happy, guys. It is so nice. That place is so nice. The Shein pop-up was so nice, guys. The clothes there, so dope. So you had to pick one item from before you leave as a gift. So I picked this trouser. I'm gonna try it on for you guys later because right now I need to go to the salon. Be busy, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog for you guys there. But yeah, and then we got this. Okay, what's inside? Let's see. I'm near screamer, but I don't even know what's inside. Let me see. Wait, guys, I'm in a hurry to. Ooh, okay. So it's a brush. It's a cute little brush and a scrunch. I assume this is the scrunch. And then also, what is this? It's a charging cable. Also got a charging cable. Sana. And also this cute toiletry bag. Come on, focus. This cute toiletry bag. Let's see what's inside. She glam. What is this? It's a Glow Bloom liquid highlighter. So this is a liquid highlighter. Can't wait to try it. I'm definitely gonna try it with you guys. But yeah, I'm back home and my lips are so ashy. As always. When I showed my mom that video, she was so happy. I wish I would have filmed that for you guys, but I did not. But yeah, she was so happy. But yeah, right now I need to go to the salon to assist her because it's so busy. And then yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Yeah, and the case we like, guys, the electricity is back. The electricity. So yeah, guys, let me charge you guys because right now I just charge you just a little so that I can be able to record this, and then I'm going to talk to you some more later on. So yeah, and try the pants on for you guys later on. So so guys, this is how the pants sit on me. They're a little bit big here on the waist, but I can wear a belt and they'll sit properly because this is a leather. I don't want it altered. I don't want it to look snacksniana. But yeah, this is how they sit. And I also like the length. I can wear them with ankle boots, like ankle boots with the heel. And then yeah, I love them. Thank you so much, Shein, for this gift. So cute. I love it. I love it so much. Ooh. So yeah guys, I cannot wait to style these pants. I'm still gonna look for inspos on how to style these pants. I love this color. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Oh, so yeah guys, I think this is where I will end my vlog. I'm gonna see you guys next week. Yeah, I'm stopping this vlog here. I'm gonna see you guys next week. I love you all so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification bell. And I love you so much. Bye.